Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Wi-Fi smoke alarm from XS01, your trusted home safety innovator. The model XS01-WT conforms to EN14604. This advanced photoelectric sensor alarms you and quickly detects dangerous smoke in the air. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it connected to my network. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and of course you need to download from Android or iOS the Tuya app or Smart Life app. Well, let's open it. It is a 3-pack inside, included of course the user manual as usual. If you want to read, is your choice. A thanks card, nice. Nothing else at the box. And of course we've got 3 stickers and 3 pack of screws with 1 pin. Now let's see at the unit. Of course we've got the test, silent and setup button for our Wi-Fi, lock and lock for the base, twist and lock, the Wi-Fi signal. We've got an insect-proof screen around. Effectively prevents insects from damaging the alarm, ensuring long-term accuracy, sensitivity and reliability. We have an ultra-compact design, I like it, measuring only 3.1 to 1.9 inches. The XS smoke alarm is small but powerful and integrates perfectly into any home design. You can install it at the wall, at the ceiling, at the sofa, bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, basement, at your store, wherever you want. You need to have a Wi-Fi connectivity. Rapid and accurate detection. The XS alarm performs 3 separate smoke concentration analyses every 10 seconds to eliminate interference from wind, dust and non-hazardous smoke. With a loud buzzer 85 decibel alarm, definitely you can hear the tone within 35 meters, ensuring you are waking up in an emergency. Only you need to simply connect your alarm to a Wi-Fi to remotely access and control your alarm through the app, allowing you to handle any emergency alarm. You get instant notification on your smartphone using the app Tuya or Smart Life, informing you of your alarm conditions, included low battery warnings, end of life reminders or malfunction. Well, nice all that, let's download the app, make an account. But before that, let's enable one of these units. We've got a lithium battery inside, pull that to remove the battery and one safe sticker. It is a lithium battery CR123A 3 volt. Nice. And there we've got blue LEDs flashing. The included battery ensures a whole year of continuous protection for an alarm with a service life of 10 years. This unit, it will last 10 years. Now I will install it to my Smart Life app, add a device, sensor, smoke detector. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next. Now we need to press for 3 seconds. It will go on a Wi-Fi setup. Next. Blink quickly, yep.
I found one new scene called XS01-WT, and you can control it by saying, turn on XS01-WT.
Okay, Alexa, thank you. Now stop flashing. And of course you can rename the device if you want. It is your choice. Done. Don't show this message again. Test. Next. Done. No fire danger. Okay. We can see we've got the icon, the battery, it is in high. And the same thing you can do and for the other two devices, if you decided and buy the 3-pack. Each device is working separately. They don't synchronize together because it is an individual Wi-Fi device for each room, for each place you want to install it. Now let's check in the app. Click for more. No alarm record yet. Okay. Settings. Silent notification, fault warning, alarm off notification, alarm notification, device self-check notification, low battery warning, battery power recovery notification. All that you can turn off, turn on, it is your choice. Self-check results successful, and you can put all that on silence if you want. Nope, we need to have notification. Let's go back, add the app. We've got device information, tap to run automation if you want, offline notification, share device, feedback, add to your home screen, check device network and device update. Confirm. If we've got any updates, it will show us. Let's go back. Now I'm going to install it to my wall and start the test. See if we're going to get notification from a real fire. Well, not so real. But before that, let's enable and the other units one by one. Blue LED again. Press for 3 seconds. Wi-Fi setup.
I found one new scene called K4-SHS-6K42XOP, and you can control it by saying, turn on K4-SHS-6K42XOP.
Again, thank you, Alexa. And done. And as we can see, we've got 3 smoke detectors. Well, let's install it to my wall. And twist and locks. Nice. And by pressing once the test button, device self-check notification to my smartphone. And it is so loud, the tone. When you press the button is flashing red, and when ends the test is flashing blue. And now let's test it with a smoke. See how it goes. Oh yes. And there is the smoke alarm. Smoke alarm. Oh, the sound is so loud. And you can disarm. Disarm it by TechGuru Andrew. I am. Instantly you get notification to your smartphone that you've got smoke alarm at the place where is the smoke detector. Nice, I like that. Thumbs up. And click more. Here we can see the alarm has ended, the time, the device is sounding an alarm. And again we've got the logs. Perfect. Now if you decided to install it at the side wall, you need to have 10 to 30 centimeters the maximum from the ceiling. If you decided to install it at the ceiling, you need to have minimum 50 centimeters from the side wall. Overall, don't install it at corners. Well guys, that was all about. I think it's a great way to protect your home, your store, basement, wherever you want to install this smoke detector. And it will alarm you at your smartphone at any time when a fire is in progress. If you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link. Click it and find more information where you can buy it. I think it's a great opportunity to protect your property and feel more secure. If that is a bedroom, living room, bathroom, kitchen, hall, wherever you want. It is a great idea to protect your loved ones. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.